Oh, hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. As you guys know, my new truck has been working out great. Love the fact that it's a super crew cab. I can put extra storage in the back and also carry up to 6 passengers, which is fantastic. I got this in the mail the other day. It's a truck cab under the bench storage organizing toolbox. Let's put it together real quick, see how it works. This organizing box is from Geedar. Straps. Open this up, and there it is, just like that. Secure it by lifting this up and attaching the Velcro straps to adhere to it. Very easy to put together. Super easy. Divider sides lift up. Just lift up the Velcro straps, tabs, and attach it to it so it's nice and sturdy. Give it that structure. Three-section organizing storage toolbox. Super easy to put together. As you can see, you have 3 compartments. Let me show you the inside of my truck cab. So this is a Super Crew, which means it has a full-size rear seat with lots of legroom. So usually people lift up this seat. What's unique about this is it's a 60-40 split. 40% on the left side where you can lift up, 60% on the right side where you can also lift up. And it gives you ample storage space. As you can see, here's where I keep all my items, such as my jumper pack, extra quarts of oil, ratchet straps, tire inflator, some more oil, another tire inflator and jumper pack, another jumper pack, and I have a small toolbox over here. I have an umbrella, I've got some fix-a-flat, I've got gloves, napkins, windshield ice scraper, gloves, all the things that you think you might need in case you have an emergency or you need it if you blew a tire and you need to work on your car and you're stuck somewhere. So all these things, because you have a pickup truck, you really can't hide it anywhere. The only place to hide it is under your seat. Fortunately, with this truck, you have a lot of storage space. The problem is, all the things that sit here, every time I slam on the brakes, my oil would fly over here, all these things would come out like that, you know? And so this organizer, I think, is gonna do the trick. Since we're organizing, we might as well make everything neat and clean too. Now we'll just place this organizer over here. This is made especially for this model car, Ford F-150 with a 60-40 split. That's why there are 2 here for the 60% and 1 here for the 40%, so that it fits perfectly. Now I'm going to attach these to the straps to the chair so that when you slam on your brakes, things don't go sliding forward. You could put these straps on any which way you want, as long as it holds it down. Very easy to do. Clip. Clip. And you could adjust it so it's nice and tight. Now that it's installed, I'm gonna put all my stuff in here and see how much cleaner it looks. So isn't this a lot better? So well organized, and I was able to add some more things to it too. You could still probably put some more stuff. And the best part of this is, none of this stuff will fly forward when you slam on the brakes, and it's designed to fit exactly without touching it. It's perfect. Hidden away, and then when you need it, you're ready to go. Just grab whatever you need. Fantastic. So this is the Geedar 3-compartment truck organizing storage toolbox. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. And thanks a lot for joining me on another product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blow. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.